Hello guys, my name is Gatis and I am founder of a hosting company Best Content Hosting. And now you will see uh, this homepage and you will see that they have free SSL, global CDN, auto scaling traffic, free migration, good uptime, IP6 enabled, powered by simple process renewable energy and data center in UK. Okay, and only in this October 2022 is action where all hosting plans are free for 3 months. But this is only in this month. After that, you will be able to test or hosting only 1 month free. But what we will be doing today? Today we will be looking deeper in our hosting plans, and today I want to speak about Linux hosting plans, and I will speak about the Linux Starter Plan. Linux Starter Plan, which price is €2 more. And if you will buy this plan for 1 year, then this plan for year is €10. €10 for whole year. I think it is very cheap. Now we will looking to some parameters. In this plan we have one domain. Okay, it means that we have only one main domain. But looking to the next, we have unlimited subdomains. What it means? So it means that in this plan you can making unlimited account of web resources under this domain. Subdomains are unlimited. Web space 20 gigabytes. I think is not so much for the in 20 gigabytes you can make very large websites. 50 gigabytes multi bandwidth, 50 books, but only 1 gigabyte MySQL database. What it means? That means that if you want under this plan making only WordPress sites, you can make 5 WordPress sites, or you can make 5 web resources where you need MySQL or Meridian databases, but you can make unlimited resources where you don't need any database, and that resources are web builder. About web builder, I think I will show it today in this video, because it is very easy way how very fast to make web page. For example, you need some some ideas for your web page, or you want to give for your webmaster idea what web page do you want, this is very great tool how you can very fast making full functionally website. Yes, and of course in this one we have many one-click installs. At this time one-click installs is 86, but one-click installs coming more and more, and they guarantee 60 days money guarantee back. If you don't like this plan, if you don't like this service, if you hate this service, don't worry, we will give you back money. But okay, this is the parameters. Now we will looking deeper. What is this Linux Starter Plan? I will go to client area, and I have one BHP Linux Starter Plan, and I will open it, and little bit. This is control panel, and we will look in what is in this control panel. There is a lot of things: CDN, web file section, email section, web tools sections, where we have PHPMyAdmin, MySQL databases, remote MySQL access. You can change page version. You can make special PHP configuration if you need. You can, yes, there is icon called scheduled task in cPanel. This tool called corn. This is the same. Of course, there you very easily can generate your sitemap to put it in your Google console. I will show in separate video how you can put your website in Google Search Console, and you can make sure do you have custom errors, auto diagnostic, and maintenance mode. It means that your page not will be visible to world. It will be visible only for you, and you will be able working on your website. Okay, what else? Domain names. About domain names, I have separate sections where I told how to add domains and how to add subdomains, and how to manage them. This is very important section. And in Linux Starter Plan you can make one domain, for example blah blah blah.com, and unlimited subdomain blah.do.blah.blah.com, my name.blah.blah.com, and blah 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 blah. Unlimited amount of subdomains you can create and manage this domains in DNS Manager section. Yes, that is very good. In our control panel there is a security tools. You have SSH access, hotlink protection, and we provide free SSL for every site. Enough if site is created or on your domain or on your subdomain. You can add free SSL for every your website. Directory indexing and malware scan. You can scan. Do you have some some malware in your file manager? Sometimes it is very important. That is very good. There is locks on statistical tools. There is two tools where you can see who is accessed your website day by day, hour by hour, and if you have made some web page and web page not working, first that you need to do is looking to access error log, where you can see if your website have some errors and bandwidth usage. You of course can see and control. And last section of control panel is how you see 87 one-click install. That is very many one-click install, and you can use this. You can sort most popularly. Most popular, of course, is WordPress, Joomla, Magneto, Pressure, OpenCart, Moodle, Laravel, Roundup, and so on. And we will see also which is most recently added. Yes, some recent added one-click install. You can see there. Yes, many tools, web calendars, and I can say that I will need to preparing special page about this one-click install. And little bit about left side. Yes, there. Name, server, setup. And how users seen. Because they become currently not using all name servers. All name servers are blah 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 blah. In your control panel in this section, you always can find your name servers, which you need to add by your domain to hosting your website by our hosting. About it I will create separate videos. Okay, of course you will see IP address. This can be usable if you if you want use Cloudflare, for example, then this is the place where you see your IP address or your IPv6 address. There is your incoming mail server, SMP StackCP. You can access FTP server, and there is MX record for your email.